Yo, good morning. This is Betty motherfucking Crocker in the motherfucking house this morning. What's cracking? What's good? How was y'all Father's Day? Anyways, y'all won't believe the story I gotta tell y'all motherfuckers today. Lord, let me tell you. Go ahead and get your blunt. Go ahead and get your dab, because you gonna motherfucking need it. Yesterday, so I go to the store with my kids. I come back at home, boom, bam, on the couch, sitting, chilling, bicking back, being boo with my kids, you know what I'm saying? Get ready to go to my man's house for the good old Father's Day. My ass hears a knock on the door. My son said, "Mom, somebody's in the door." I'm like, "Okay, let me open it." So, nobody there. I'm like, wait a minute, I don't think nobody was knocking at my motherfucking door. So, I hear somebody knocking on all the apartment doors. Mysteriously, my door gets skipped. I hear that they walk past it. So I'm mad. I'm like, why these motherfuckers get a knock? I mean, what is it, the little sweepstakes winner shit when you win $1 million at the door? They coming to my motherfucking door, you know what I'm saying? So I look outside and y'all don't even want to motherfucking know who the fuck it was. The motherfucking crackheads at my motherfucking door. The bitch gonna say, I know, they came to the door because it was next door, actually. She came back and she was like, well, I know we on bad terms. Yeah, bitch, we on bad terms. She had the nerves. I know we on bad terms, but, we were just knocking on the door because he has to go to the bathroom. So the motherfucking, the black dude, crackhead, he gonna come to me. He's like, holding himself, his penis. I gotta go to the bathroom, and I live way by the, Dollar General. Do you think I can use your motherfucking bathroom? Okay, let's stop for a second and think about this motherfucking shit. You a boy. If you come into somebody's door, your ass ain't got a motherfucking pee. You gotta take a motherfucking shit. This dude, oh my mother, y'all, for real, is he motherfucker? He ain't serious. I'm like, he is not. He said, can I take a motherfucking shit in your motherfucking bathroom? Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of... Is he serious? The bitch sitting there looking at me like he is serious. This motherfucker is knocking on motherfucking doors because he gotta take a shit and his ass can't hold it. You gonna knock on a motherfucking stranger door to sit your funky ass booty on their toilet and plop some doo-doo balls in their motherfucking toilet water. Get the fuck out of here. Good morning. Boom. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe, share. Holla at your girl. Betty's World. I like my world. Do you? Smoke that shit.